Hey everyone, it's Jordan Rooney and I'm here today to show you why you need to get with these and get rid of these. Let's say you have a spill, okay? Right here on this counter. Things get wild, whatever happens, you have a spill. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna use this? Look what happens. Look, I wipe that up. Doesn't even get it all. It's disgusting. I gotta throw it away. It's terrible for the environment. It's 2021. We care about the environment. We're done with these. So look at this. I got these from and they were only $20 for a pack of 40. Look at this. Got everything, could still use it, turn it over, it's not gross, it's a nice color. You need these in your life. All right, so this is what marketing used to be. Everything used to be an infomercial. You talk about the price and you talk about the product. You still have companies in the digital age, for some reason, just trying to sell through social platforms. People aren't on social media to be sold.
Fifteen 15% of males over the age of 40 suffer from complete erectile dysfunction, but they don't have to. Isn't it time you talk to your doctor about Viagra?
Brands are doing a really bad job with their influencer partnerships in showcasing their testimonials. They shouldn't feel like this.